He's a bit of a celebrity at my local hardware store. The customers know him and he loves being fussed over. Every weekend he comes with us.
To like local cafes.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
He has a weekend adventure all the time.
It's okay, Edgar. Look at this.
So last Christmas we just walked him down the street.
He was looking at lights sitting on the handle of a shopping trolley.
We met Santa Claus and he was really upset.
If Santa tried talking to him, he would start hissing at him. So Santa's on his naughty list. But he'd been neglected. The first time we saw Edgar, I think we felt really sorry for him. All his feathers had been cut. He'd been living inside this cave without a perch. And because of that, his toes were crossed.
He couldn't even walk. He just limped around. When we took him home, he didn't even know how to do a lot of things. He was really scared. He kept running away. We wouldn't bother him, we'd just let him do his own thing. And over time, he realised we weren't bad people.
I remember Betty running into the room in some excitement because he had accepted a sunflower seed from her hand. He started to relax. And that's when you'd actually start to see him learning how to play. It took 8 or 9 months before we could just pick him up and cuddle him. And now he loves Cuddles with me.
Where are you going with that?
With Betty, he likes to cuddle into her cheek.
He just loves the attention. And so we want to make sure that his world is big, and we do that by taking him out with us on adventures. We've taken him to the Blue Mountains. We've even gone on a holiday with him. We just love being able to share the outside world with him.
He definitely makes life a bit brighter.